The Richest Man in Babylon. This is the book that I'm going to be talking about today. Honestly, it has been helping people out in getting great financial advice for almost nearly a century. And the book is written by George Clason. The events in the book take place in the ancient Babylon, and it offers great financial advice in a fun and easy way for everybody to understand. The book teaches readers the secrets of wealth and financial success through the stories of ordinary people who have achieved great things. Here are the top 5 highlights in the book, in my opinion. Point number 1 is the importance of saving. The book highlights the importance of saving even if you just start with 10% of your income and investing it wisely. Number 2 is compound interest and how it has such a powerful effect on your investment to grow over time. Point number 3 is the benefits of diversification, and of course, as the saying goes, not to put all your eggs in one basket, but instead to spread them around in different investments. Point number 4, the value of education. The book encourages to seek out financial education and invest in their own knowledge and skills. Number 5 is setting goals. The book highlights on how you can set goals and be able to track it to the point where you can achieve it. The book is an all-time classic, and obviously it helped millions to achieve their financial freedom. If you're one of the people who read it, please do share your opinions in the comment section below.